In the quantum world, particles vanish, reappear, and exist in two places at once. It's not magic, it's physics. Today, we're diving into the strange world underneath reality itself. But don't worry, we're keeping it simple. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of quantum mechanics better than most people who've heard the word quantum only in sci-fi movies. Let's start with the basics. Everything around you, your phone, your body, the air you breathe, is made of atoms, and inside those atoms are tiny particles like electrons and quarks. Now, the word quantum simply means the smallest possible piece of something, the minimum building block. In the quantum world, the rules are completely different from the world we see. It's like entering a video game where physics suddenly has cheat codes. In everyday life, things are either waves or particles, but in quantum mechanics, particles can be both. Take light. Sometimes it acts like a wave, spreading out like ripples in water. Other times it acts like a tiny bullet, a particle called a photon. Even electrons do this. This is called wave-particle duality, and it's one of the greatest surprises in physics. Imagine throwing a marble, and instead of landing in one place, it spreads out like a rainbow wave. That's the quantum world. To really see wave-particle duality in action, scientists performed the famous double-slit experiment. Here's what they did. They fired particles, like electrons, at a wall with two slits. If electrons were just particles, they would create two lines on the screen behind the wall. But that's not what happens. Instead, an interference pattern appears like waves overlapping. Even stranger, when electrons are fired one at a time, the interference pattern still appears. It's as if each electron passes through both slits at once and interferes with itself. This was the moment physicists realized the quantum world does not behave like normal reality. One of the weirdest quantum principles is superposition, the idea that a particle can exist in multiple states at the same time. Imagine flipping a coin. In normal life, it's either heads or tails. But in the quantum world, the coin can be both heads and tails at once until someone observes it. To explain this, physicist Erwin Schrödinger created a thought experiment. A cat is inside a sealed box with a mechanism that might release poison depending on a quantum event. Because the quantum event is in superposition, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. Of course, this isn't real. It's a way to show how strange quantum rules are. In the classical world, if a ball doesn't have enough energy to roll over a hill, it stays stuck. But in the quantum world, particles can tunnel through barriers, appearing on the other side without crossing over in the usual way. This isn't just theory, it powers real technology today. Scanning tunneling microscopes let us see individual atoms. Nuclear fusion in stars relies on tunneling. Your computer chips and electronics depend on tunneling effects. So yes, quantum physics is literally inside your laptop. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting technologies, quantum computers. Normal computers use bits 0 or 1. Quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0 or 1 or both at the same time thanks to superposition. They can also become entangled, meaning the state of one qubit instantly affects another even if they're far apart. This allows quantum computers to solve certain problems millions of times faster than classical computers. Future possibilities include discovering new medicines, breaking current encryptions, simulating molecules and materials, hyper-fast AI systems. Quantum computing is still developing, but it's the future. The deeper we look into the quantum world, the more we realize something incredible. Reality isn't what it seems. If you enjoyed this simple explanation of quantum mechanics, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay curious. There's so much more to explore.